This homeowner's doorbell camera captured something bizarre at midnight: a dark figure standing motionless on the driveway, completely still, facing away from the house.
At first, the footage looks genuinely unsettling. The person doesn't move, doesn't knock, just stands there in the shadows. But wait for the reveal. Seconds later, the camera pans slightly and you realize it's their neighbor's teenager taking a selfie for social media, completely oblivious to how creepy they look on the Ring footage. The homeowner posted it online, and the neighbor's kid became an accidental internet meme for the most unintentionally terrifying doorbell moment ever caught.